In this explainer, we're confronting a truly dark reality. Natural outbreaks, they're no longer our biggest threat.
Think about it. Could the next Black Death be deliberately coded right on a laptop?
Past plagues were just blind nature, but tomorrow's apocalypse? It could literally be designed on someone's PC.
Biotech is completely democratized now. You don't even need a PhD to manipulate genomes from your garage anymore.
It's a terrifyingly dangerous brew. Anyone with basic skills could potentially engineer a lethal pathogen today.
And throw AI into the mix, it's the ultimate accelerant, pouring digital gas right onto a biological fire.
In just 6 hours, one single AI suggested 40,000 brand new, highly lethal chemical weapons.
AI could engineer viruses that spread silently for weeks, totally undetected, before becoming completely lethal.
Researchers already made a lethal mouse virus and then recklessly published the open source blueprints for the whole world.
A natural extinction risk is 1 in 10,000, but the engineered risk, it is terrifyingly higher.
1 in 30. Just let that staggeringly high probability for an engineered catastrophe this century sink in.
But digital design isn't everything. Actually deploying a virus requires mastering complex physical barriers like stable delivery. Honestly, those physical bottlenecks are the fragile, solitary saving grace standing between us and global catastrophe right now.
We've entered an era of godlike power. The terrifying question is, can our safety protocols even survive it?